Hey everyone, I'm Franco Vescovi, and today we're going to be talking about how to properly wrap your wand machine, primarily with the disposable grips and your standard RCA bag. So there's a couple of different steps on how to do it, but you're going to find this to be way easier than wrapping your aluminum grip with cohesive tape. It's going to save you a lot of time. We have a bunch of different sizes. We have a 3/4 inch grip, we have a 1 inch grip, and then we have our 1.25 inch grip, and then shortly coming we will have the 2 inch monster grip. They're all the same in terms of how you're going to wrap them up. So let's go ahead and start. So the first step is how to prepare your RCA cover bag. There's two ways to do it. If you're using a battery pack, you will need to cut it down, I would say about 10 to 12 inches. If you're going to use your RCA cord in traditional power supply, then you won't need to do anything with it. We will first talk about how to use it with your traditional RCA cord in power supply. So to start, you grab the head of the RCA cord, such as this little guy. You feed it through the RCA cover bag, right? So now your entire RCA cord is protected, right? You got about a good 2 feet of protection. Then you take the head of the RCA and you plug it into your wand machine, just like that. You will grab the aluminum grip, spin it off, put it over here. This is a part that gets fun. It'll save you a lot of time. There's no cross-contamination. The way I'm going to show you how to do it is what I have found to be the easiest way, the best way. So follow me on this. Okay, so we slide the bag over just about right in front of the O-ring, okay? And what we do is we pinch it here, we fold it this way to go with the way that you'll screw the grip on. So you don't need tape. What you'll do is you'll take the grip and you'll put it on over, and you'll just twist the grip on all the way, and it locks the bag on top of the machine. Now you have the grip, the bag goes all the way underneath, fully protecting it from cross-contamination. And then you grab your needle and you're ready to tattoo. So as you can see, it's really easy to install the grip. The bag slides underneath the grip, making it really easy to not have cross-contamination issues. The texture, you're gonna love the texture. It doesn't slide out of your hand. It fits really good in your fingertips. You can sort of turn it and spin it. We're really happy with this. Overall, I think you guys will be really happy with the grips. We certainly are. Okay, so for all of you out there that use a battery pack, there's different shapes and sizes. The one we're working on for Bishop is going to be a cylindrical sort of battery pack. This is not ours, but this is just one that we've seen to be pretty popular. But nonetheless, the theory is the same on how to use the disposable grips and use the RCA bag with a battery pack. So what you'll do is you'll take a normal RCA bag, you'll cut it around 11 inches, 12 inches, okay? And what you'll do is, in the same way we showed you earlier on how to install the bag and the grip, so you do the same thing here. Okay, once the grip's installed, you simply drop the battery pack down, plug it in, and then what you'll do is you'll now have excess to cut off. So you'll know kind of how much to cut off, and then you'll take some tape and you'll simply tape it down. So what you have here is a complete wand machine with the disposable grip, with the RCA bag for protection, with the battery installed, and you simply would turn it on and use it. Okay. What's cool about this is it's just really easy to use in general. I love battery packs, but in terms of having everything wrapped up, everything, you know, to avoid cross-contamination, this is pretty much the most popular way we've seen people use the wand with a battery pack. So if you guys have any questions on different battery packs, because there will be a lot that people are coming out with. If you have any questions on the grips or how to install, feel free to drop us a DM, an email, or head on over to bishoptattoosupply.com and we will answer all of your questions, and we are looking forward to having you guys try out our new grips. They're so damn good, you're not going to want to throw them away, but you need to.